Okay, I have wasted so many minutes. Anyways, let's get to this video. So, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Fabbag. Yes, finally I have received my May Fabbag yesterday. And I did post a small video on my IGTV Instagram channel, which is @Ishita. I will, guys, this will be the links here. So if you please follow me on Instagram also. So if you haven't checked my post, and check that out. I do have my IGTV as well as Insta account. So this month I did went for 6-month subscription plan. So first thing about this Fabbag. Fabbag is an Indian subscription boxes which you will receive every month for the plans that you will select. For example, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months or 1 month. So if you are going for 1 month plan, subscription plan, then you need to pay 600 plus 100 rupees delivery charges and taxes. So for 3 months you will get 11% off, and for 6 months you will get 19% off, and for 12 months you will get 30% off plus a signing bonus. And even in 6 months you will get a signing bonus, which I received a Sugar Cosmetic palette and the shade Stronger. So I did receive like Paparazzi in earlier plan, but it was for 3 months plan, and I did receive in that Paparazzi palette, and or maybe I guess it was just a selection between Sugar Cosmetics that you want, and I selected that palette. And for 6 months I received this Stronger, which is like amazing like eyeshadow palette. I'm wearing it right now. So guys, the thing about that, please don't freak out that I was just testing this blush that I received in this month's bag. This month's theme was like chic, and so yes, this month. So I went little overboard and I just did like too much blush on my cheeks. I know I have done too much blush on my cheeks, but I was just following this card. I think it is so cute. The illustrations of Fabbag is so cute. Every month is so cute. So I just went overboard with the blush and all. So that's why I'm like so much pinky. And I do like this blush, but only, okay, we will get back to this. But first about Fabbag and the Sugar Cosmetic, this palette. So I will do a separate video about this palette as well as the earlier palette that I have got, and Paparazzi and Stronger. I will do both looks on my eyes, like one on this, one on that. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing videos, like totally different. Every month, every week there is a different video, so please subscribe. And so if you want to give me any suggestion, then please don't be shy, just comment it right away. Comment, guys. I want your response, like if you like this video that I am making, or if you don't like it, just please give me suggestions, then I can improve. And like you guys have told me before that my English is so weak that I should just speak in Hindi, then I will do that. But if you see any improvements in my English, like I have improved myself, then please let me know, guys. Just don't give me negative comments all the time. Give me positive ones, so I get encouraged to do more videos, and I will even it's good for myself too. So, and also good for you guys, because I have I'm like so much into this, guys. I am so much into makeup. I like to test products. I like to give the best reviews to you guys, that you go for the best products. Like, I'm so into this. So if you like, comment and say the positive things. Like if I'm wrong, then please tell me, but don't say always negative. So now let's just get back to this Fabbag, this month's Fabbag, and I think this month's theme is so cool. Like, I love this month's theme. I love all the products as well. And guys, let's just start with this month's bag. So first product, of course, the blush, like blush. So this blush is a mineral based blush. I do like this blush, like it has so pigments, like you can see that it is too much pigmented. Only the downside of this blush is like it's too messy. You will get this type of applicator, like you have to pull this down and then you will get this blush, but it's too messy, like it is a little bit powder. But I think the quality of this blush, it's good. Like you will get that shining, it has like a little bit shimmer in it. So, and this is like mineral based blush, then if you have like allergies or if your skin is sensitive, then this is good for you guys, as well as this is good for me because I have like super sensitive skin, and I'm happy to receive that. Like I do have two choices this month's bag. You will also, if you are like subscribed to this plan, you will get two choices to select the blushes. One is a pink one which I have got, and one is a peach one, peach. So I do have peach blush. I wanted pink, so I got it. So this blush retails for 800 rupees. So this is, the manufacturer is from Surat. That's amazing because I'm also from Surat. And why the name is in French, I don't know, but this company is called La Mer Illuminating Blush, and the shade that I got, Notting Hill. And this is a full-size product and it retails for 800 rupees. It's like, that's why I think this is like it cost a little bit less because it manufactured in India, especially in Gujarat, like it is so near. So and the second product that I have got is this Ace's Skin Smoothing Gel. So this company Ace is from Japan, but the manufacturer of this is like Haryana, India. It's from this is from India, and I have not used this, guys, but I will let you know. I will use this product and I will let you know on my blog section, which also I will link it down below. If you want to get a detailed review from this one, then please check that out. And this retails for 125 rupees and it is a full-size product. Original company is from Japan, but manufacturers from India. So that's cool. Let's see, because it does smells like a Dettol or sanitizer, hand sanitizer. So I need to check that out, and it says like it is cooling, smoothing and antibacterial. So that's why it smells like sanitizer and Dettol. So like my skin is so much sensitive, so I will just use this one, and if I get any reactions I will let you know, because I don't like experiment. I don't like to experiment on my skin, but for you guys I will do anything. So that's that. And the third product is lip scrub. So guys, we do have, this is a lip scrub and this is from Herbal Blend. Herbal Blend is like amazing company. They have like so much cool products, and definitely herbal, 100% natural. And this lip scrub, I was like, there were like 3 options, like dark chocolate, vanilla and cool mint, and I was like, back in my mind I was like, I want this cool mint. So, and I got it. So you will get a lid, and obviously I have opened this. This is so freaking cute, like little bit candy. Yes, it's a normal lip scrub, and ingredients are like mint, castor sugar, cocoa butter, mango butter, coconut oil, vitamin E. Obviously nowadays everything has like vitamin E in it. The smell is so nice. I like the smell. It has a minty type of flavor in this, and 285 rupees, and this is a full size product, and full size it means 10 grams of 285 rupees, full size. A little bit a pricier size. Anyways, Herbal Blend has like most luxurious, it is a luxury brand, and every product is like super pricey. So the fourth product that I have received is from the soap company India, Intense Body Wash, full size product, 200 rupees. It is 100 ml. You will get 100 ml in this bottle, and this is like full size product, 200 rupees. Like, okay, I did receive like products from this company before, and it is like little bit on the pricier side, but like it is a full size product, and the container, I just don't want to say it, but it is a cheap container, and they want to get a luxury handcrafted products. They are like making luxury handcrafted products, but there is nothing luxury in this, like even container or even the product that it contains, like nothing is luxury. I don't get it this. So the fifth product that I have received is a coffee brew packets, instant coffee making, and it's in Colombian brew instant coffee, 4 sachets. It's 8 rupees, 4 for 8 plus 1 each is like 2 rupees, and it's like a instant mini size shots you will get, because the amount of water that you need to make this coffee is 120 ml, and it's like mini cute coffee sachets. I like this coffee. I have like used this vanilla one, and it is nice. I guess this coffee is coffee. I have not used this mocha one. I want to try it. So, and the bonus product that I received this month is this Miracle face toning cream. It's from Bio Ayurveda, and they are guys, it is a luxury brand, and the products are like totally work. So this cream, the story behind this cream, like I have got this from previous Fabbag, and I did use this like day before yesterday, and yesterday I received this again. And this tiny bit of cream, like 10 grams, yes, 20 grams of this retails for 950 rupees, like this. And guys, this totally works. But the thing about this product, and if you have like oily skin like mine, I do have oily skin, then this is like too much heavy on my skin. So what I do, like before going to bed, I apply this on my face, and in the morning I get that glowy, shiny, smooth, firm skin with this product. So this is like a nice product to have in your vanity. You guys have to use this, and if you don't want to buy this product, just order a Fabbag. Just try it once. You will guys love it. And please, if you love it, then comment in the comment section down below. Let me know that you guys liked it. You have to comment, right? And of course, my to subscribing 6 months plan, I get this Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Okay, so that was all. That was what I have received in my Fabbag, in this month's bag. I hope you guys liked my review on the Fabbag, and if you want a detailed review for this bag, then please check out my website, WordPress blog channel. It is not a channel, WordPress blog, and the links will be in the description box below. It is like a view to see .wordpress.com. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and please subscribe for more fab bags and more reviews and more products to come. See you guys in my next video.